Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Unique Bundle. Today I'm going to show you very useful trick in Microsoft Word. Here I have 7 names and I have written Mr. in front of all those names. So if I want to delete Mr. from all those names, if I delete one by one, it's gonna take long time. So I want to delete Mr. from all those names at one time. So what I'm gonna do, if you hold down Control with H and type Mr. Dot and replace with leave it blank and replace all and click OK and close that dialog box and all Mr. disappear from all those names. So this is how you can do at one time if you have like hundreds of names in your Microsoft Word. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for upcoming videos.